Kani nga ni ka second week mata. Te ka timing kan long kan we siteng 8 baje san 4 baje. So it will continue hadu ka aku lai tarik berai dah hiu berai.
Ke karakter mah long ya kacing ya kendu ka cuma ya ikati nama ka ya tak karakter jong ikati. Kadin ba jong I ba story nama ma I di ba jong ka ikati. Di company ya kata mo ka film nama long nadu ba ya kendu I ba ka ikati sawa syo jing I kan ka. Dia nak tak ada win pilih dia ikam di ba cakia dia nak benda ka ikati ba yo ka ikati mah. Dia kata ba ka jing wa bor ka jong ka dia nak benda ban impress ba long ya ka ikati. Katahi
Laki ni kisngi, nilai yo objektif. Bagawe ka kena, kalajak na yeng, na arsngi.
Khana jun ka film kadai ka ba uli shooting dun nang ni nantai ndre ka khana jun ka film kadai ka ba kejam man nakasi mo kibriyo ka basma puli ka kubor ai kini ibe kadai ka khana ha kadai ka film ba kadai ka film kadai ka khana bener ka bangsa ba ar ka ripkis nanta ka jingle donbor ya ki kethai nanta kata ka chide prolog ko ko santap na barwa tek jinge shania prolog khadu prolog se syukur di prolog ki ba du siol ba ka jikran ba penjat syai di ko ban pe shushu ya ka jing yar jo ni ka story kan ka film subha ba ban pe ni ka film ba itu se na bangon badang ya tek adu minta kasih ban iperkut adu kita yo ban
Normally ki beliau ki dia suatu maklah hati yang mengatakan masa sabra, which is not really good. Ketika basically the date of the incident yang berlaku. So tadi number one, and why he pick yang kata word sabra itu? Kasi long when we started dia ke project itu pas lagi sejarah kat ketika sabra baru. And then yang location pun ni pick tu tadi Thai tu thinking sure maybe this is a lucky date for us, so we decided. And it is kalau appropriate with the concept of the script, okay? Jadi asal itu kalau as the name of the program. Saya beri bapak news Muhammad Kasih, bapak boleh keluar. Kita gini incident berat. And you all know crime meta kalau baik high day, even though dia is not berat begitu. So putting them together, all the small crime somehow we should dramatize. Of course, we didn't target anybody in more like specific yang itu. Kalau Kashlombi in general as a crime, you all know.
Jangan hingga dari kontrak dia lagi along aspire politician mah bagi perlu jangan iba menster ini dia iba kita politician so perlu jangan dia ketika karakter jangan dia kabahan dulu kerja tapi kerjanya long perlu apa isi kelai kata hikap sendiri kerja papua kerja mana
It's just a reflection of the society juga. Where we are right now. In other words, we make a film fix on to because the subtext or the message kalau very subtle. Beliau kiba you boleh popular bah, kiba long aware bah, ya ke surrounding, ya ke day to day crime, ya ke current affairs, what's happening in and around the society that we live in will can relate. That is one. Then kita kiba kata ini yang most important.
Kau ka film ini prolog misalnya ibu kita belum muncul buang ke ketim ini misalnya apa misalnya prolog baca tipe perkhat ba prolog baca wa misi nampak tadi di akan jumpa jadi prolog awam tahu balik kekap siap misalkan dong serat misalnya alap di makrab di bilap di kamar kecil untuk tu pulau yang apa buat susu dan baru minum putih apa yang kadu hidup kerap kasih sukar yang kadu kasih sukar di kerap kalau yang apa suka berhenti kata sampai
Amdan bentai ruam tai jai kam. Kemudian bila bertok kini kesebut ke dan hang ni.
Hello sir, we have a situation here. Untuk konflik pula light pad.
Film kalau honestly it's a very small budget film. So So let's say 5 to 6 lakhs max because bagi push plug dia kata dia ada dekat kasih film kadang lompat big risk deh. And the second advantage kadang why you could control that small budget because kadang ki studio lah jom and then ki equipment ki camera ki technician lah jom. So somehow gila buat control dia kata pada day bagi apa why lu kita I don't think it's possible like that. And moreover, for film to control the budget, you need to be like you need to really plan. The film don't plan, you just add up to your cost of expenses. The message you actually Buffy will pursue if it's let's say to be more specific, maybe let's say the subject filmmaking as a career. Kalau kau prospek kadang tambah lomba your approach in the industry kadang even target slightly on a bigger platform. Don't just be happy with your local film. Try to make films that can reach out maybe to the film festival, to the other bigger platform. In that case, maybe you'll never know about somebody kilong lucky ki yo train or sabar and in a bigger industry, in a better platform. There's always a start somewhere. There's always a thing happen stuck here from at some point at some.
So, badan bapete eh. Kenapa? Nakti eh?
Yan ini bisa. Ha? Yan ini bisa.
Dominic. Pelan-pelan ya, benar-benar gede. Wajib selai, Sar. Hadin sengi-sengi ngan saya ay kakubar.
Jaya hangnya. Sting mian ngaban mi na yeng ru. Mengar ka cing cara yu. Itu yang mentam ta.
Tuti. Suatu apa me kisah tentang kamu ni mah?
Bakap na me kata berkai. Yo tang san spa tingka.
Tang san spa. Ya ka san senam. Melaju hang kan no mede ya la dia ka chisni.
Mete la kat minister. Klen ka ketien.
Punchline the film jingsha si kampan ya prepare haga script but preparation and we haga shooting normally ke ship for 20 to 25 days no. But the only problem ka drawback jong ka film when we started ka Shlomba the first schedule nila dem shoot they go one of COVID. So 2.5 years we can laugh and like show. So the second schedule we met them again 2021 bits and pieces ki basa. So it has really hit us because small project, small budget for a very long time can affect what you mean. The obstacles happy filmmaking kadang le. I think everyday life everybody does the obstacle. That doesn't mean we'll have to give up. Filmmaking li kabut pala. You like education scheme yang taruh di small. But then these obstacles is a part of the journey of filmmaking. There's no other. I don't think there's any film yang smooth without obstacles because the unforeseen problems, the unforeseen errors is always part and parcel of filmmaking. I think filmmaking has seen him lah for various reasons. Number one is kalau mention ada tadi also. Lot of film small budget, you cannot spend too much time on your film. So the standard time, aku belajar experience dengan 6 months is a very good time to make a kasih film. Dan aku lihat dulu, not end results come long you will get the product. In the last 5 years, bentasan sini bentahi kelakio in various aspect if in the current Jepang di production house kita use like proper cinema camera, the lights, the sound, the right. Now the question is about beli ke ngidang sahaja dapat in many things in the bed because maybe we need more trained people to come and help us or maybe if we need better studios for editing and post production and so forth. But then after doing a lot of homework and research, the conclusion kalau kita dah flash film is a product. We need to sell. Kalau the product lo, ladap filabo, and you don't have a place to sell, that is the biggest challenge. Because then in that case, then it comes back haju bagi donor theaters. Now we need theaters because the film boleh kita campur theaters. Kita kawai minta Shillong gitu. Sebut ni beriman tentang story dan Jawa ini. Wah, pula kan one big film. Ada definitely yang kata semua seperti katai kalau too expensive. No, so when we have maybe one in one district, one in another district, then kata the time travel ke Baisha, by day by one kalau cut cost. And in that sense, and I don't understand why also ke government company seriously itu ya gini, because we are creating a lot of employment. Ke film making process a very small crew in that 15 to 20 people. Nah, ini crew berapa? And plus the fee add up saki artists and then maybe afterwards kasan. So if we filmmakers or producers ladang game lah and recover and apoi film, then we will not continue another film. It goes on like that. Not for me or many others. So kita talented artists and then kalau syukur nak ketemu talent hiring and so on. Ini bukan yang ngilaan yang banyak kasih film but screen nationally or in the bigger picture. I think it's possible because boleh benda ke film is just a medium, it's just a story. Ke language kadang ke medium. Ada even jadi ada pun ada copy Korean without understanding also. Why do we watch Korean? Somehow we relate with the story. So it's the same in the same context. Hidup gila man. Push tama you have to have that plan. You cannot just go because industry kalau it's a very serious job. So everything has to be planned accordingly. I think people should really keep trying for film festival because katuhi kadai ka place ka ba, gives you opportunity to go big.
Akinik sengi nilayo objektif bakawai ka kena kalajak na yeng ars sengi.
Ngamdan bentai ruam tai jat kam.
Kemudian bila bertok kini kesebut ke dan hang ni.
Hello sir, we have a situation here. Untuk konflik pula light pad.
Saan ba na mapit eh? Kenapa? Nakti eh?
Yan ini bisa. Ha? Yan ini bisa.
Dominic, nak plan ya, benar-benar peti. Wajib selai sar. Hadin sengi ngan saya ai ka kubar.
Jaya hangnya. Sting miang haban mi na yeng ru. Mengar ka cing cari yu. Itu enga, mentam ta.
Tuti. Suatu apa me ke jintan kam zuni mah?
Makap nak me ka tu kai. Yo tong san spa tiga.
Tang san spa. Ya kesan senam. Melaju hang kan no mede ya dia ka cisngi.
Mete lakat minister. Klen ka ketien.